guys, today we're making super easy Valentine's DIYs, but I also wanted this to be things that would look super beautiful as the spring rolls around, or even would look amazing as wedding centerpieces. These are so versatile and can be made so fast, all from the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoy. Be prepared for this video to be filled with puns and roses. First, this gorgeous topiary. Get some twigs from outside. I'm using old driftwood and some spray paint. You can get it from Walmart for about $1. Spray it on to these little Dollar Tree planters. Then you need a foam round. You could get this from the craft store for about $4 to $6, but why do that when you can take a square one from the Dollar Tree and tap it into a rounded shape? And now it's pretty round. You think it's gonna work?
I hope so.
Sometimes I'm not sure if the DIYs will work out, but we definitely rose to the occasion on this one. I love the florals this year. The cream colored and the very light pink work really harmoniously together. Using your insert, pre-stamp a hole and then add some hot glue and stick in your twig. And then you're gonna do the same thing with all the flowers. And I wanted to give this an ombre effect. I started with the darkest color on top. To make this easy, use a pencil to pre-punch the holes, add some hot glue, and then stick the rosebud inside. You'll need about 5 bunches of these, and you can see the ombre effect transitioning from top to bottom. Stick another foam square into your container pre-punched and add hot glue. After that ASMR interlude, add a little bit of foam to the side and top with green moss from the Dollar Tree. I embellished it with this burlap ribbon and these wooden hearts and attached using hot glue all the way around the container. This is optional, but I think really elevates the look. I just love this one and could totally see it at a wedding. Next, we're going to make these wooden garlands. These are all over Pinterest and all over the high-end stores. You can find these beads at the Dollar Tree or at your craft store for about $1, and we're also going to embellish them with little tassels. Wrap Dollar Tree twine around a notepad. Then you're going to tie it off, snip off the edges, flip the notepad over, and cut through. I actually find this process really relaxing. Fold your tassel in half, and then you're going to use an additional piece of string to knot it together. Cut off the ends for a nice clean edge, and you've got the perfect little tassel. I totally sound Midwestern when I say that. Add on your wooden beads. This is really relaxing and the perfect thing to do in front of a Netflix show. It's gorgeous, draped over books or picture frames, and I like how I didn't put a very hard coat of spray paint on these, so it looks really rustic. Dollar Tree sells heart wreath forms, and there's so many videos on Do It on a Dime. If you want to make something like this, glue on Dollar Tree roses, and you can set this right in the back just like that. It looks so good. No way, Rose, that these all came from the Dollar Tree, but they really did. Next, we're making this beautiful rose planter. And I have an old balsa wood box. Now, I actually made this last Christmas. Balsa wood is kind of like foam core board. It cuts just like it with an X-Acto knife, but it looks like wood. And it's really easy to hot glue together. It's faux wood, but it takes paint and stain really well, so I just stained this in a gray, and now I'm gonna add these Dollar Tree roses to the inside. So what you wanna do is just twist the bottom into almost a little spring, and then you can set it right in the box. And these are gonna fall sometimes off to the side, some of them will stand right up like this one, but it'll give it a nice natural look, and we can fill it in with moss or fairy lights or anything you have. I love how this turned out. Next, go around your home and get some old picture frames and Dollar Tree bags, 3 for $1. And I love in the old frames going through and seeing the old pictures. Baby Carson, when we got engaged. This reminds me of a Kirkland's display at half the price. The Dollar Tree also carries a lot of items that are really on trend right now. This is Pottery Barn's website, and this rose pink and blush color is all at the dollar store. These candles were a favorite find this year. I love how they look just like milk glass. And Dollar Tree also carries Godiva chocolate. These bars typically retail from $3 to $4, and this is the first year I've ever seen them there. I've also been wanting to use these clear coffee mugs for ages and finally found a purpose for them. I love the Cricut machine for creating customized mugs, and I'm going to put a link to the vinyl that I use down below. It's very easy to wash, so these mugs last a long time. Any other Star Wars fans out there? If you are totally my people. This makes the perfect gift idea. And if you have a Cricut machine, you can download this file completely free. I'll be sure to put the link down below. If you enjoyed this video, you leave it one of these, and I know you want more Dollar Tree content, easy DIYs, all on a budget. I love you guys so much. I can't tell you how grateful I am for you, and I will see you next time. Bye. Cheers!
That's a good DIY.
Don't actually drink it. It's been sitting out for a long time.